All right, hello, garden buddies. Welcome back to Gardener on a Mission. Welcome back to the garden. Uh, Thanks for stopping by. Today we're finishing up. Here it is, November 13th. Yes, 14th, something. It's Monday, middle of November, whatever it is. I'm still planting. I think the high today is like 58 degrees. And I've got the last of my bargain plants that I had bought a month or these have been setting up there underneath the Japanese maple for probably, I don't know, at least a month, maybe longer. Got 3 of these Sweet Romance lavenders by Proven Winners left, and then I've got three uh, Cheyenne Spirit, Cheyenne Sky, Penstemon, Prairie Winds, part of the Prairie Winds series of Proven Winners grasses, ornamental grasses. Got 3 of those still left. So I get these 6 plants that I bought on bargains at least a month ago, maybe longer. Still got these. I got to get them in the ground. Fortunately, the weather has been working out for me this fall. I mean, this is crazy. Middle of November and I'm still planting. This lavender smells good. And here's the interesting thing. A while ago, after I set this out here, we were still having bee activity. I noticed a honeybee on this lavender, on this one right up here, in my cat's pajamas Nepeta back there. I noticed a bumblebee on that. So there's still bee activity going around out here. So let's get these in the ground before too much longer, and get ready for the winter. Making a nice hedge of them right here along the driveway. This bed, I got that one back a little too far, I guess. That's all right. We'll be good, hopefully. There's one of them. Here's the second one. Get it right here. Put these here so they can work as shading for this clematis here. That's the intent. So there's 2 of them. Got one more of the Sweet Romance lavender to put right here. I need to get these watered. We'll mound this up a little more too. Right here. I hope you guys are able to get in your gardens today. Sure is nice to be able to get out here. It's a beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. Beautiful day. Get some. All right, there's the 3 Romance lavenders. Now let's do these Prairie Winds, Cheyenne Sky. Paid $3 for these. Got 3 of them, $3 a piece. Paid $10 for these lavenders. So got these at Lowe's. Got those lavender at the local nursery. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him out of here. There we go. Woo-wee. Lots of rootsies. Get the hoary knife and break those up a little bit. I'd say this is definitely going to be happy to get in the ground instead of in that pot. Like I said before, yeah, this is late to plant, or seems late, but I think I've got some bulbs right there. That'll be fine. Going to mound this up too right here. So get some more soil around this too. Get it mounted up here. But I'm putting these here to shade the clematis feet. And they say the clematis feet like to be cool, face likes to be warm. So putting this around here, hopefully that's what will happen. We'll see. That little tag means there's a bulb right here next spring, so that'd be good. Make sure it's got some soil piled up here in different places. I'll bring it. All right. That may have been a little too close. Time it spreads, but we'll see. Like I said, I'm not someone who's too worried about moving things around. All right, there's one of the, I've got 3 of those Cheyenne sky grasses to get in the ground that were still in pots. Then I got one that I'm moving. So the other, got another one right here. This is the little half moon. Put it right here. I'm trying something different with the camera today too. I didn't put it on the I shortened the tripod one level closer to the ground. We'll see how that does. Get this one in here. So, what's been cooking with you dudes and dudettes? And my garden buddies. Yeah, I'm going to say these things would be much happier in the ground than in the pots, because they are getting root bound. Get these babies in here. I'll put some fresh compost around them too here. I've still got a little bit left, so bring a couple shovels out here and do that with that. So there's the second one in the ground. I need to come water these things in too after I get them in there. But that's where we are. I want to show you something. Remember the Proven Winners flocks that I bought on bargain? These 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. A couple weeks ago. Look at this one. This one is blooming. Got a bloom on it. Middle of November. And here's the flutter butterfly scabosi. All this new growth right here with trying to bloom, I believe. And here, I don't know if I'm showing you right there. I'm getting a little close, I think. But this thing is shot up all of a sudden with some new growth. All right, there's 2 of the 3. Now let's go over here to the south side of the driveway. Put a third one in the ground. Got the pots yesterday. Last couple days I've been cleaning up pots, taking them down for the winter. Got 3 more to go, I think. So we'll get those done. This one's not as root bound as the other two. Each succession they get a little less. So let's see how this baby fares. There's a tulip, or not a tulip, but some bulb, probably a daffodil. Come on, Mr. Worm. You get back in there where you were. Lots of big worms. Lots of... just leave that right there, I guess. Leave it past. Alright. I don't think I need to water that one, but I will. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but I've got some holes already dug for some more of the bulb planting. I think what I'm going to do is just combine all those bulb planting videos into one for you. It might get a little tedious watching one bulb today and then another one tomorrow. All right, so there's those 3 Cheyenne Spirit or Cheyenne Sky Prairie Winds Penstemon or Penicum ornamental grasses. I got one more that I'm just moving. I'm transplanting it from where it was. Actually, I'm transplanting it, moving it from there to over here on the south side of the house. And hopefully in this video, get set up right here. All right, let's get over here. Get this one put in right here by this. All right, guys. That's got these last minute perennials and plants that I had, bargain plants. Like I said, I paid $3 for these grasses and $10 for those Sweet Romance lavenders. So we'll see how this does over here. Thinking this will look good here with these peachberry ice heuchera. All right, there you have it, guys. If I can get up. All right, in the ground. Thank you, sir. I'm working slowly but surely. All right. Okay, guys. Got them in. That's 6 more plants, 7 more plants. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And thanks for coming on this journey / mission / garden adventure with me. Have a good evening. Arrivederci.